Hello friends, welcome to the REV300 channel. So friends, today I will talk about Sharkoon REV300 White ATX PC case. So friends, Sharkoon is now launching a white version of its REV300 Midi-ATX case with the REV300Y hardware build stick, the proven approach of being installed around a 90-degree rotated mainboard while the temporary glass side panel is unconventionally placed on the right side of the PC case and the comes with 7 pre-installed PWM RGB fans, and the white version of the REV300 comes readily equipped with a maximum possible number of fans apart from 3 addressable 140 RGB LED fans behind the front panel. There are also 3 equally addressable 120 RGB LED fans on the rear panel and another one under the top panel. To further maximize airflow, the front panel of the case consists of an air-permeable mesh. It water cooling is preferred instead of air cooling, and up to 360 radiator can be installed in back of the case. There is also a space for radiator of up to 420 in the case front, provided that the radiator does not exceed a height of 3.2 cm, a length of 46.5 cm, and a width of 14.1 cm. And front, all PC cases of the Sharkoon REV series are known for their unconventional configuration when it comes to installing the hardware build. And of course, not exception here, the hardware components are installed around a main board that is rotated by 90 degrees with the result that is intended to provide a particularly stylish presentation through the temporary glass side panel, and to open even more new possibilities is presenting the hardware. The glass panel itself also breaks with convention and is to be found on the right side of the case instead as usual on the left and front. Near the front panel on the top case, a modern USB Type-C port ensures fast data transfer to mobile device, while for everything else, the usual audio ports and 4 USB Type-A ports are also available, and it is now available for a 159.90 euros. So friends, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.